It's a subtle indication that your collagen is degrading if you wake up with tingling fingers or legs that feel heavy for no apparent reason. Additionally, problems like poor circulation, knee pain, and balance problems will only worsen if you don't correct it. However, there is an easy solution. There are 8 fruits that not only lessen the harm but also aid in its restoration. Hello, my name is Barbara O'Neill, and today I'll show you the precise fruits that I suggest to persons over 60 in order to help naturally relieve joint discomfort, increase blood flow, and strengthen legs. In actual clinical trials, one of them, which is most likely in your kitchen right now, helped boost collagen density by 24%. Let's get started, and believe me, you've probably never heard of number 3. The 5th fruit is the kiwi, a tiny fruit with a big impact. Let's start with the kiwi, one of the most basic and often disregarded fruits for restoring collagen beyond age 60. In an attempt to feel better, many people over 60 turn to pricey vitamins or powders, frequently ignoring nature's best remedies. If you use it properly, kiwis are among the best fruits for supporting your blood vessels, joints, and skin. This tiny green fruit contains twice as much vitamin C as an orange, and your body cannot produce collagen if it does not have enough of it. Without any tools, it's like attempting to fix a roof. Your body simply cannot complete the task. However, the majority of seniors aren't informed of this. Your body's absorption of food is equally as important as what you eat. Your body absorbs more nutrients when you eat kiwis in the morning with a little water. Seniors who feel stiff or exhausted in the morning will find it especially beneficial, as it aids in digestion and gradually awakens the system. Indeed, in a clinical study conducted by the University of Otago in New Zealand, participants who had 2 kiwis daily reported greater range of motion and reduced joint stiffness, as well as a 31% rise in vitamin C levels in their blood after just 1 week. Here's how to utilize it. Simply, on an empty stomach, eat 1 full kiwi in the morning. Leave the skin on if you can. The majority of the fiber and antioxidants are found there. Simply give it a thorough wash. To promote consistent energy and improved absorption, you may also combine it with a few soaked walnuts or almonds. Feel free to mix it into a smoothie or plain yogurt if you prefer not to consume it that way. Just stay away from highly processed toppings and sugary cereals. That negates the advantages. Consider kiwi as the beginning. It's a mild, all-natural method of promoting digestion, circulation, and collagen. You may feel stronger with time, particularly in your joints, skin, and even your eyes. The kiwi aids in bodybuilding, but this following fruit has an equally significant effect. In the first place, it may be preventing your body from healing by lowering the quiet inflammation. The majority of people like it for its flavor, but few are aware of how it can reduce pain, aid in healing, and improve the way nutrients function. Number 4 is the pineapple, a popular fruit with a potent hidden advantage. This one is well known. It's likely that you've already enjoyed it, whether as a sweet treat or in fruit salad. However, most people are unaware of this. Pineapple is more than simply a cool fruit. In fact, it can lessen joint, hand, and leg discomfort. This is due to the presence of a unique natural enzyme called bromelain in pineapple. Furthermore, bromelain has a unique ability that few other fruits do. It aids in lowering deep-seated inflammation, such as that which presses against nerves and results in twitching, stiffness, or swelling. According to research published in Clinical Rheumatology, pineapple actually helps your body repair by reducing inflammation. Within 30 days, patients with osteoarthritis in their knees who took bromelain daily reported a 41% reduction in joint pain and edema. More interestingly, a different German study discovered that pills containing bromelain enhanced knee function just as well as well-known NSAID medications, but without the adverse effects. Therefore, pineapple may provide much-needed relief if your hands tingle while you're sleeping or your legs feel heavy in the afternoon. This is the bit that most people overlook, though, the core. The stiffer center that is frequently discarded has the highest bromelain content. It has the true power, even though it isn't as tasty. Please let me know where you're coming from today before we begin. Please feel free to ask any questions you may have and leave a comment below. Remember to click the subscribe button and enable notifications so you don't miss any of Senior Health's top health advice. And I want to know whether you're with me. If you're now watching, if this video resonates with you, type 1 in the comments section. If not, type 0. Here's how you can maximize it. A few chunks of pineapple should be prepared with the center core still attached. If you have trouble chewing, consider slicing it thinly or mixing it into a smoothie. When your body is able to fully utilize the enzymes to promote healing, it is ideal to consume it in between meals. It's typical if it takes a few days, so don't worry. With time, you might experience a little more ease in your daily movements, more range of motion, and decreased stiffness in your joints. Here's something intriguing too. Your body gets much better at utilizing the nutrients from other fruits after inflammation starts to subside. Everything begins to function as a cohesive one. Using a different portion of a fruit you already know is a simple change that can have a significant impact over time. The time has come for your body to begin rebuilding, and this is where the next fruit comes in, particularly in the arms, legs, and hips, which are frequently the first to deteriorate with age. It maintains the muscles and tissues that enable you to move with confidence and strength. The next fruit on the list is guava, which subtly promotes deeper healing. We are now moving on to the next phase. The true rebuilding starts with guava. If kiwi served as your foundation and pineapple reduced inflammation, with more vitamin C than any other popular fruit, this fruit does more than merely strengthen collagen. It gently stimulates your body to begin rebuilding itself at a deeper level. One guava actually contains almost twice as much as most people require in a single day. Here's what sets it apart from the rest, though. Guava helps your body to strengthen the muscles and skin you've already begun to lose, regenerate tissue, and improve circulation. You may not notice it right away, but after a few days, little things like walking farther without becoming tired or waking up with less tense hands start to change. Here's something crucial to be aware of, though. Just like how a more complex push-up demands perfect form, guava only works effectively when used correctly. Here's what to do now. Choose the deep pink variety, as it contains the highest levels of carotenoids and antioxidants. Eat it with its skin and seeds. This helps with the actual absorption of vitamin C and supports digestion. Especially in the morning, drink a glass of water. Hydration boosts guava's nutrient activation. While guava is enjoyable in taste, its true value lies in how it builds internal strength. Quietly and in the background, it rebuilds the soft tissues that keep you balanced, mobile, and stable. The goal isn't to make dramatic changes overnight, but to provide your body with the nourishment it's been missing for years. Over time, you may also notice that you don't tire as quickly on walks, that standing becomes easier, or that your arms feel firmer. That's what real rebuilding is about, improving how you move as well as how you feel. The next fruit supports the spine, joints, and soft tissues that maintain alignment, as well as the very structure that keeps your entire body together. Blueberries, the tiny fruit that holds everything in place, come in second. Now we're going to talk about what I call your body's support system. You've been focusing on strengthening, reducing inflammation, and increasing collagen. But if you don't protect those gains, your progress might slowly fade. This is where blueberries come in. Even though they're small, they have a big effect. They defend against oxidative stress, helping to preserve the collagen you already have, the kind of slow, invisible damage caused by aging, daily wear and tear, and physical stress. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that improve blood flow, memory, joint health, and stable movement. They support your whole system, keeping you balanced, sharp, and mobile, unlike other fruits that only help one part of the body. And science backs it up. In just 14 days, older adults who ate blueberries regularly experienced a 38% improvement in mobility and a clear drop in swelling in the lower body, according to a study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. To get the most benefit, choose wild or darker-colored blueberries, as they contain more antioxidants. Eat about half a cup each day, preferably in the morning or afternoon. Enjoy them on their own, or add them to oatmeal or plain yogurt. Just stay away from sugary versions like jams or muffins, which cancel out the benefits. Even if you don't feel changes right away, blueberries slowly help your body stay balanced, enhancing your posture, coordination, and even mental sharpness. Small things like getting out of a chair without stiffness, walking more steadily on rough ground, or focusing better throughout the day may become easier to notice. Here's a common mistake to avoid. Many people eat blueberries occasionally, but not often enough to see real results. Being consistent matters more than having a large serving once a week. A small handful every day makes a noticeable difference. Despite their small size, blueberries are extremely powerful. They reinforce and stabilize your body while protecting everything you've worked to improve. Now we've reached the final fruit. It might have the strongest natural ability to repair collagen in people over 60, even though most wouldn't expect it. The fruit that hardly anyone knows but should absolutely be eating after 60 is amla. This may be the most surprising fruit we've covered. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Along with helping your body make collagen, it's one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C in the world, far more than guava or oranges. As you grow older, this means better joint health, firmer muscles, thicker skin, and even improved vision and gum health. But here's what makes it really interesting. Unlike many fruits that lose nutrients when dried or processed, amla retains its potency. This makes it one of the most reliable long-term natural tools for collagen support, tissue repair, and immune health. In fact, some studies show that amla not only strengthens the collagen structure but also prevents its breakdown, especially in the skin and cartilage. Here's how to use it. Amla is sold as a powder, juice, or dried fruit. Choose unsweetened versions to avoid added sugars. Start with a small amount daily, or stir it into smoothies, herbal tea, or warm water. As your body gets used to it, gradually increase the dose from 1/2 teaspoon of powder or 1 to 2 teaspoons of juice. While many people don't know about it, regular users often report better digestion, more flexible joints, and more elastic skin. It may not be trendy or easy to find at every grocery store, but amla is one of nature's most powerful anti-aging fruits. For people over 60, it also acts as a final line of defense, preventing collagen loss, encouraging healing, and helping you stay active, mobile, and confident. Now, if you're tired of those nighttime leg cramps, the video on your screen shows you 3 simple items that can permanently ease the pain. Let me know where you're watching from today. Ask your questions and leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss Senior Health's best wellness tips. And tell me, are you with me? If you're watching right now and this video speaks to you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. It's natural, quick, and something that all seems